How much of a setback is it to lose Umesh Yadav also after Shami? Does that put extra pressure on Bumrah and Ashwin as senior bowlers?
See, Umesh definitely he's our main bowler, quality bowler, and he's been doing really well for us. That's unfortunate that he got injured. We'll definitely miss him, Mohammad Shami, but that gives opportunity to other guys to come here and do well at the highest level. Jasprit and Ashwin, they've been doing really well so far for us. But again, as I said, it's not about one or two individuals. It's all about bowling unit. It's all about team, and we as a team we all want to do well. And I'm really happy for Mohammad Siraj, especially the way he bowled in the last game, especially when Umesh got injured in the second innings. The way he actually stood up, Jasprit, we all know he's been really good for us. But yeah, I think Mohammad Siraj was really exceptional.
Ajinkya, what exactly does Rohit bring to the table, and how good is he looking in shape when it comes to facing the red ball? And the last bit about Rohit is, where should we expect him to be drafted in, at the top of the order or in the middle?
See, firstly, we all are really excited to have him back in the team. I think especially his experience at the highest level, which matters a lot. Talking about he's batting really well in the nets. He had good, I think, 7-8 sessions. He came to Melbourne, started his practice straight away when our test match got over. He started his practice straight away, and I think he's been batting really well. Rohit, last couple of series he's been batting as an opener, so you'll definitely see Rohit at the top.
Just a question on Ashwin. Yeah, you played so much cricket with him. You've stood at first slip. He seems more confident. But what is it that you've seen in Ashwin that is different, and he's like the confidence as a captain in this series?
I think about Ashwin, he's always looking to learn new things. He has good skills about his bowling, but always look to learn new things. And that's what matters a lot as a cricketer. You are always looking to learn something or the other, and that's what Ashwin makes Ashwin great. So really happy to see him bowl really well, and I hope that he continues for the next two test matches and do the job for us.
That as a captain, like, have you heard anything from the administration or from the support staff, senior support staff of the team contingent, that after third test India is going to move back to the country? Like, there are some media reports today that India will not go to Brisbane or play the fourth test because of the quarantine. As players, have you heard anything about it? If you could just enlighten us.
See, we as players, we are just focusing on this test match. BCCI and team management, they will take the decisions. But for us as a players, it's all about giving our best on the field. Test match is starting tomorrow, so we are just focusing on the test match, and we want to do well as a team, and win the test match.
So Ajinkya, how's the pitch and the overall conditions at the SCG?
See, I think Sydney wicket, the history of Sydney, we know that it's a very good wicket, very good cricket wicket. So you just have to play some good cricket, give your best as a team, and play to your potential. So that's what I can say.
How captaincy? I mean, you're enjoying it.
As a captain, I'm really enjoying this role. I mean, definitely, it's a proud moment for me to lead my country. It's an honor, and to lead this exciting bunch of guys, I feel really good and proud. So really looking forward to tomorrow's test match. And as a captain, obviously there are responsibilities and challenges, but yeah, I'm really enjoying it.
Tom Moody recently commented that Ravindra Jadeja has ticked all boxes for the perfect all-rounder that India is looking forward to right now. Your take on this?
See, Jaddu has been really good, especially with his bat. Last couple of years, he's been doing really good for us, especially in Test cricket. His bowling, we all know that he can contribute as well. But I think as a batsman, Ravindra Jadeja has improved a lot, and that's a massive point as a team's perspective. When you know that your number 7 can contribute with the bat, that becomes really easy for you to actually get that total. And obviously in the field as well, you have seen taking some brilliant catches. First catch in the Melbourne as well. So yeah, his addition in the team helped us a lot, and he's been really fantastic and really great for us.
पिच बहुत स्पिनर्स के लिए अच्छा मानी जाती है, और जो हिस्ट्री है यहाँ पर, अनिल कुंबले बहुत अच्छा उन्होंने बॉलिंग की है 78 में लास्ट जो हम जीते थे उसमें भी तीनों स्पिनर से अच्छी बॉलिंग की थी। हमारे पास अश्विन है, जडेजा है और उधर उनकी तरफ लॉयन है। जब आप कंपेयर करते हैं तो आपको लगता है कि इंडिया के पास एज है, बढ़त है स्पिन के मोर्चे पर?
देखिए, ये विकेट जरूर हिस्ट्री बताती है, लेकिन आप हिस्ट्री को देखते हुए नहीं चल सकते। उस टेस्ट मैच में कैसा विकेट खेल रहा है, आपको उस तरीके से प्लान बनाना पड़ता है। यस, हमारे पास अच्छे स्पिनर्स है, लेकिन नेथन लायन भी उनके क्वालिटी स्पिनर है जिन्होंने यहाँ पर काफी अच्छा किया। तो हम बिल्कुल किसी को लाइटली लेना चाहते। हमारी कोशिश यही होगी कि एज ए टीम भले हम बॉलिंग करें या बैटिंग करें, कोशिश यही होगी कि अच्छा क्रिकेट खेले। जो पॉजिटिव लास्ट मैच से में थे वो पॉजिटिव्स लेके आगे बढ़े, और क्योंकि देखिए हमें वापस फ्रेश स्टार्ट करना होगा इस टेस्ट मैच में, तो कंडीशंस अलग हो सकते हैं, तो उसी तरीके से हम प्लान बनाएंगे।
Just a question. The first two test matches, the bowlers opened, against Joe Burns and Matthew Wade. With the inclusion of David Warner, a different kind of opener, will that be a change in plans, a change in tactic?
See, firstly, Warner is a quality player and his record actually speaks for himself. Yes, we do have some plans, but see, it's all about when you play cricket, it's all about keeping it really simple. Play to your plans, play to your potential as a bowler or as a batsman. Just back yourself. As I said, Warner is a quality player and we respect him. We don't want to take him lightly. And yeah, as a team, we just want to go out there and back up our plans and methods.
Do you think that with your all-round performance that you had in Melbourne, and with so many changes in the Australian lineup as well as their poor batting, do you think India has truly rattled Australia heading into Sydney as well as in Brisbane?
See, in Melbourne, we played some good cricket as a team. Everyone contributed a lot. So that doesn't mean we should take it lightly. As I said earlier, that whatever happened in the Melbourne, it's history now. Australia is a very good team, especially playing in Australia. They're a dangerous team and we respect that. We just want to play as a team, play to our potential and back our strengths, back our players. So we are just focusing on that. Whatever happened in Adelaide and Melbourne, that's completely history, that's gone. We just want to be in the moment and start well tomorrow in Sydney.